friends, welcome back to my channel. How is everybody doing? This is your girl Josy. Today I'm going to start my 100 envelope savings challenge for the family. Each of us has a binder. I have a binder for the kid, for myself, my husband, and I also have one for my mom because every year I save for her so that at the end of the year I don't have to struggle if I want to give her a huge sums of money for Christmas gift. So I'm doing that. But our main motive for this challenge that we are doing is to save about $20,000 as a family. And when I started beginning of the year, to tell you guys the truth, I knew I was saving $20,000 for travel, maybe for something that we want to do in the house. I didn't have any plan for this 20,000, like exact plan that I have for, but trust me, it has a plan. When we started the year, so many things has changed, and this 20,000 is going to do magic. I have my student loan I'm trying to pay off. There's a project that we are embarking on. There's a lot of stuff this 20,000 is going to do if I'm done with the savings. We also have insurance we have to pay for, which we paid annually. A lot of stuff. So I'm glad I'm doing this savings challenge for the kiddos, for ourselves, and for my mom. So today we're going to do my husband's one and the kiddos one. I'm trying to finish the kiddos one. I'm trying to catch up with my husband's so that we will do it gradually as we go. I kind of realized that I need to pay off my student loan as quick as possible. So I'm doing it slowly. I wanted to get it done by October, but that is not going to be a rally. If I'm able to do it, that's fine. If I'm not, that's okay. So I'm doing it slowly. But for my mom and the kiddos one, I'm going to try and finish as soon as I can. Enough of my talking. Let's go ahead, count the money. Then we will get started. I hope everybody is doing very well. I'm doing very well. I worked this weekend. I have some meetings, but it's going very well today. So I hope you are having a nice weekend as well. 1, 2, that's 100. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that's 150. Plus 1, 2, that's 20. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's $4. So 274. Let me put the calculator on the side. Then I also want us to look at today's motivational message. It said, you get what you work for. Yes, that's so true. Simple and easy. You get what you work for. What are you working towards? So whatever effort you put in something, that's the results that comes out. It's just as simple as that. Okay, let's start with my husband's own. And today we are only doing 2 envelopes. And look at this. This thing is getting so full. And as some of you know, I already told you I'm switching up my 100 envelope savings challenge. I can't wait to show you guys what I have. What I did was that I went ahead and ordered 4 more samples. Yes, 4 more samples that it will come as quick as possible. And I've decided to switch these ones into the new ones that I'm bringing out. So I can't wait to show you guys. It's on the way. It might get here probably by next week. And I want to show you guys the first week in August as soon as possible. So I'm going to switch whichever stage I'll be. I'll remove the money and put them in the new one. And this is how we are going to get new trackers and everything. It's going to be cool. I can't wait to show you guys what is coming in my shop in terms of 100 envelope savings challenge. I also have the 52-week savings challenge. Super excited. Okay, and all these challenges are already in the market. Everybody has their different way that they do it, but I'm putting a lot of trackers so that you can do it in different ways. Any way you want to do it, you can do this, so that it won't be like a one way. When you're done, you put it down. You have different ways to do it. And my own, you can reuse it so many times. Okay, so today for my husband, we're going to do only 2 envelopes. So we are doing 43, and I'm multiplying by 2. So 43 times 2 will be 86. So 50, 1, 2, 3, 80. Then 86. Make sure I have it right. Yes, 86. And the new one that I'm bringing, this material is very hard, so it will stay in. It will stay for a long time. And also that one, I have the binder. It's kind of like when it gets full, you can still close it. You guys will see when it comes. Super excited to show you guys. And we are also doing 44, so that will be 88, 85, 3, so that's 88. Let me go ahead and track it. This is how far we are. So 86 and 88. Okay, so this is how far we are. We still have a lot to go, but we're gonna get it done. We are gonna get it done. So this is so cool. Okay. Then the next one is the kiddos. Kiddos, I'm gonna do a lot of envelopes today for their own. Each one get $10. Like I said, you can do this in your own way. So each envelope get $10. So I'm gonna get $1,000 when I'm done. Today we are doing a lot of it. So let's see how much this money can fill that up. So this one get $10. We have 4. Then the last one will be the 85. I'm pretty sure I'll get it done by next week.
Mommy, I want to wear this.
You want to wear? Did you tell Auntie? Did you tell Auntie Mary? Okay, go wear it. Here.
I can't wear it.
Yeah. Oh. You took your diaper. Where is your diaper?
My diaper's wet.
Where is it?
In the trash.
Okay.
And it's white.
Okay.
And it's wet.
Then when you want to go to the bathroom, you have to go to the bathroom.
Okay. Still wet. Not gray. Okay. Not gray. I have a pocket.
Yeah, a little pocket. You like pockets? Okay.
No pockets in my dress. There's only pockets in my pants.
Yeah, I see. My last born, anytime I'm doing a video, he has to come in and disturb me. Yeah, we are in the process of doing a party train, so it's kind of like today I want to put a diaper on. Today, nope, I want to go to the bathroom myself. We are on it, but he's doing very well. I have an eye time doing it for my other kids. The boys are more harder than the girls, but I only have one girl. It was simple and easy. At times we have accidents, but it was cool for the girls. But the boys, I think I have a hard time when it comes to potty train. So he came in here to tell me that he want to wear his underwear instead of the diaper. Yeah, that's cool. Motherhood. So we are done with this. This is how far we came with the $10 that we are putting. Now we left with a few. Like I said, I might finish it by the end of this month. So I'm super excited that I'm going to get this done. So let's record it. Yeah. And I'm in 85. Okay, so that's it for that one as well. So, okay. So thanks for watching me today. Super glad to have you all here. In case you have any question about the 100 Every Savings Challenge, I'm here. Your girl is here to answer all of them. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye bye bye.